2021 Toyota Avalon Redesign, price, and release date. For the 2021 model year, Avalon Decisions changed front and back belts. Begin in front, an outsized Toyota vehicle conveys a rebuilt bring-down grille is more unmistakable, and inside the 2017 item, the all-around grew much better grille, and switch signs recently outlined. Fundamentally, it for all intents and purposes appears simply like Toyota Vital. The grille 2017 renditions exchanged the wrong far up and unfurl, while the higher grille visual interest push. Inside, the Avalon normally is near on the best of their class at whatever point it issues decisions. Subsequently, Toyota separates to meddle a ton of and kill his mystery. Generally speaking, conditioned sums, 2016 Avalon turns out to be new inside sign lightweight dark with dim highlight handiwork. In any case, precisely will address Toyota dark on dim as evidently a highlight is the parcel part American issue. All things considered, it totally was definitely not. Alongside on Toyota Avalon XLE and XLE trim degrees, Toyota Extra 7-inch. These cars are required to wind up purchased from the assembled states in 2021. As per titles, the 2021 Toyota Avalon for the Essential Plan is foreseen to become about $32,285 in arrangement making utilization of the past model. XLE and XLE visiting adaptation of the whole stable quality range may cost all around £35,000 to $40,000. Having said that, the charge increments fairly by virtue of increasing typical cost for basic items.